Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to clear the cache on your Xbox One. Firstly, press and hold the power button on the front of your Xbox One until the console completely powers off. Disconnect the power cord from the back of your Xbox One console. With the power cord unplugged, press and hold the power button on the front of the console several times to discharge any remaining power. Just leave the console unplugged for about 1 minute. Then plug the power cord back into the console. Press the power button to turn on your Xbox One. After following these steps, your Xbox One cache will be cleared, which can enhance performance and resolve minor issues while playing. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.